Mental nourishment. This presentation is inspired by the philosophical insights of Neville Goddard. Let's start with a question. Are you familiar with the concept of a mental diet? Do you recognize the array of thoughts and feelings coursing through your mind, molding your reality? These elements might be obstructing or delaying your journey towards your grandest aspirations or a state of peace and tranquility. Are you conscious of the impact your mental choices have on your life's outcomes, or do you attribute your circumstances to mere destiny? It's often said that imagination and belief are the invisible architects of our existence. In this session, we'll dive deep into the principle that everything external begins as an internal manifestation. We're going to cover all this, so it's imperative to stay tuned to fully understand the ideas we're sharing. Knowledge is a priceless asset that remains yours forever, and taking action is critical to making the most of what you've learned. If you find value in our discussion, hit the like button to support it and help spread the word to as many viewers as possible. Please share this with at least 3 friends. By doing so, we can deepen this dialogue and transform lives by disseminating knowledge. We're grateful for your support and engagement. Let's begin. Imagination and belief are the potent tools through which we shape our perception and impact on the world. These tools enable us to break free from constraints and unlock endless possibilities. Through imagination, we harness our creative power to conceive ideas yet to materialize. By painting our dreams in vivid detail, we breathe life into our innermost yearnings. However, for imagination to bear fruit, it must be paired with belief, the unwavering confidence that our dreams can materialize. This belief propels us into action, inching us closer to our aspirations. This cycle of envisioning, believing, and acting not only nurtures our imagination but also bolsters our faith. By marrying these two forces, we lay the groundwork for our future, altering not just our own paths but inspiring change in others as well. These forces of imagination and belief not only empower us but also have a ripple effect on our surroundings, encouraging others to embrace their creative potential and trust in the abundance of life. Every occurrence stems from within, nothing transpires externally without an internal catalyst. Each experience and circumstance mirrors your inner state, displaying your convictions, emotions, and anticipations. Acknowledging your sole accountability for your life experiences grants you the power to sculpt your reality from within. Embracing this role as an active architect of your existence opens doors to your latent potential, reshaping your external world. Dwell in the mental state of your achieved ambitions, and observe as your environment rearranges itself to bring your vision to life. Mere wishing is insufficient, you must perceive your dreams as tangible realities. By aligning with this state of manifestation, and picturing your goals as already accomplished with vivid and intense clarity, you emit an energy that magnetizes what you seek towards you. Close your eyes and envision your future as already realized, feeling the emotions tied to that achievement. Visualization propels energy that draws circumstances that resonate with your mindset, acting as a magnet for your aspirations. This process demands practice and patience to master. Commit to transforming your reality by altering your mindset. Your perception of the world is intrinsically linked to your internal dialogue. Consider your thoughts as seeds you plant. Just like seeds grow into plants, your thoughts can burgeon and influence your life. Cultivating positive thoughts lays the foundation for positive experiences. Similar to a diligent gardener who selects the finest seeds and nurtures his garden, you must carefully tend to your mental garden to harvest positive outcomes. The gardener analogy extends to the crafting of your reality. Just as a gardener molds his garden, you mold your life with your thoughts. A well-tended garden yields beautiful blossoms, just as positive thinking leads to a vibrant life. However, it's crucial to weed out negative thoughts as they arise. Like a gardener removing weeds to allow for healthy growth, you must eliminate negative thoughts that block your progress. A healthy mental state influences your actions and how you interact with others. A flourishing garden attracts admirers, and a positive mindset fosters impactful interactions. Devoting care to your mental landscape, akin to a gardener's dedication, brings forth the fruits of a well-maintained mind. By nurturing conscious thoughts, you actively shape your destiny. Physical exertion isn't the primary requirement, it's about refining your consciousness to attract your desires. Indeed, Achieving your desires hinges more on mental transformation than on physical labor. The inclination to overstrain often stems from a belief in scarcity. Assuming that achieving your goals requires strenuous effort presupposes that resources are limited. On the contrary, embracing an abundance mindset acknowledges the universe's generosity and its capacity to fulfill your needs, enabling a more graceful reception of blessings. Believing in your power to manifest sets the wheels of attraction in motion. When your confidence and actions are in sync, you're not merely taking steps, you're moving with purpose, direction, and focus. Engaging with the feeling of having attained your goal is paramount. Immerse yourself in the emotions and experiences of your achieved wish. This profound practice of visualization resonates with the universe, drawing scenarios that match your inner state. Embracing a paradigm shift, adopting an abundance mindset, and sustaining this vibrational congruence lay the foundation. This transformation influences not only momentary interactions but your overall engagement with the world. Integrating these principles reveals that manifestation is an ongoing interplay between your thoughts and reality. Visualize the outcome you desire, start with the end goal and work backward, imagining each step until your dream is actualized. This approach fosters a deep connection with your goal, outlining a path that, when pursued with intention, materializes into reality. Visualizing your desire as already fulfilled crafts a detailed mental blueprint. This blueprint guides your actions and attitudes towards making your aspiration a tangible reality. This visualization encompasses not just the end result but the journey towards it. Experience each step, savoring the triumph and satisfaction of each milestone. By re-experiencing these moments mentally, you forge a deep emotional bond with your desire, reinforcing the belief in its attainability. The practice of reverse visualization plays a crucial role. It aligns you with your objectives and clarifies the steps needed. Mentally traversing each phase generates innovative ideas for realization. This practice not only shapes your mindset but equips you with targeted strategies for achieving your goals. Doubts and fears are natural adversaries in the quest for manifestation. They can dilute the connection between your envisioned future and its actualization. To counteract this, maintaining faith and confidence in your visualizations is essential. Consider doubt as a cloud obscuring your aspirations. This cloud can blur your vision, obstructing your path forward. Yet, remember, this cloud is composed of limiting beliefs that you have the power to dissipate. Overcoming doubt involves steadfast belief in your desired outcome. Cultivating the assurance that your visions are achievable and merited balances doubt, allowing your intentions to illuminate through uncertainty. Holding the belief that your desires are already fulfilled is essential. Envision living as though your wishes are already integrated into your existence. Visualize the intricacies and experience the emotions as though they are happening in the present. This synchronizes your energy with your desires, drawing the necessary elements for their fulfillment towards you. Cultivating belief and conviction in your visualizations will gradually reshape your reality to mirror the constructs of your mind. The transformation often unfolds in unexpected manners. Sustaining this belief bolsters your capacity to effectively manifest your desires. The perseverance in your mental imagery is key to translating your aspirations into reality. Merely imagining your goals sporadically isn't sufficient, a continuous dedication to your vision is required. Regular engagement with your mental imagery sends a definitive message to the cosmos about your desires, establishing an energetic blueprint that magnetizes the requisite resources and circumstances for your dreams to materialize. Facing obstacles should not deter your vision, rather, these instances often serve as evaluations of your resolve and faith. Difficulties might signify impending breakthroughs. Your perseverance signals to the cosmos your unwavering commitment, irrespective of transient challenges. Neither time nor obstacles should waver your conviction. When in harmony with your desires, the universe will deliver in its timing, ensuring outcomes arrive at the opportune moment. Your steadfastness and confidence tune you into this cosmic timing, orchestrating events to align perfectly. This persistence generates a dynamic force that molds your external reality, affirming your commitment to your vision. The energy you project interacts with the universe, orchestrating circumstances conducive to the fruition of your desires. This steadfast intent bridges your vision to its realization, marking a journey of transformation and manifestation. Your consciousness is the architect of your reality. Every aspect of your life mirrors your inner beliefs and expectations. These beliefs serve as directives to the universe, indicating your desired manifestations. Believing in the possibility of something sends a potent signal to actualize that potential. Conversely, restrictive beliefs act as barriers. By elevating your consciousness and deliberately selecting your beliefs, you play an active role in sculpting your destiny. Opting for empowering beliefs shapes your future. This deliberate selection is pivotal for aligning your life with your aspirations. Taking charge of your consciousness equates to mastering your existence. Acknowledging yourself as the creator of your experiences, irrespective of external conditions, you transcend the notion of victimhood, recognizing your intrinsic power. This acknowledgement places the onus on you to select, modify, and navigate your beliefs towards crafting the life you desire, thereby steering your journey. Recognizing your consciousness as the creator unleashes your potential. Grasping the impact of beliefs on reality allows you to synchronize your consciousness with your desires, rendering your experiences fulfilling and tangible. Gratitude stands as the pinnacle of mental states. Expressing gratitude beforehand lays the foundation for achieving your goals. Gratitude generates a potent, positive frequency, attracting beneficial circumstances, opportunities, and outcomes. This vibrational alignment magnetizes experiences akin to your desires. The practice of expressing gratitude as if your desires have already been met is transformative. Deeply immerse yourself in the sensation of gratitude and joy for the accomplishments you've envisaged. Such a practice establishes an attractive force, drawing the necessary components to materialize your visualizations. It's crucial to appreciate every progression, not solely the ultimate achievements but also the incremental advancements. Each step propels you closer to your goals. A consistent gratitude mindset amplifies positive energies, hastening the manifestation process. Witness the unfolding of miracles through the practice of gratitude. As you sustain this grateful energy, the universe reciprocates in astonishing ways. You may encounter synchronicities, serendipitous opportunities, and fortuitous coincidences, all aiding in the realization of your desires. Remember, the power of gratitude is immense. It cultivates a favorable mental and environmental state, smoothing the path towards achieving your dreams. In closing, this dialogue has delved into the profound influence of internal dialogue and imagination. It is my hope that these insights resonate with you, inspiring a conscious embrace of your mind's creative potential. If you found value in this discourse and wish to delve deeper into such transformative topics, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel. With that, we wrap up our exploration of the transformative power of internal dialogue and imagination. Diving deeper into the essence of our mental processes, the state of gratitude emerges as the ultimate condition of the mind. Cultivating gratitude as you aim to bring your aspirations to life is critical. Offering thanks in anticipation paves the way for the realization of your objectives. Gratitude emits a strong, uplifting frequency. When you authentically experience gratitude, you emit a positive aura that attracts favorable events, opportunities, and propitious situations toward yourself. This harmonizes your vibrational energy with your aspirations, pulling experiences that resonate with your grateful demeanor. The practice of expressing gratitude as if your wishes have already been fulfilled is profoundly effective. Visualize yourself enveloped in gratitude and happiness, having achieved your objective. Embrace this sensation fully, and by doing so, you generate an attractive force that lures the essential elements to materialize your vision. It's crucial to appreciate every phase of the journey with gratitude, not only the final triumphs but also the minor progressions along the way. Every step forward plays a critical role in realizing your ambition. Sustaining a consistent sense of gratitude boosts positive vibrations and accelerates the manifestation journey. Observe with wonder as the marvel of gratitude unfolds. As you maintain a grateful disposition, the cosmos responds in extraordinary ways. You might encounter synchronicities, serendipitous opportunities, and beneficial coincidences that assist in achieving your goal. Remember, gratitude is a powerful magnet. It draws more of what you appreciate, creating a mindset and environment that nurtures the actualization of your dreams. Thus, we conclude our profound exploration of the influence of inner dialogue and visualization. I trust these insights have struck a chord with you and motivated you to actively engage with the creative force that lies within your consciousness. If you found this discussion enriching and beneficial, I invite you to subscribe to our channel for more wisdom and thought-provoking content.